This is how hackers destroy your phone in the twinkle of an eye. Yes, hackers can destroy your phone within the twinkle of an eye. Please, this video is for educational purpose. This video is for educational and defensive purpose only. We are here to build security awareness, not create cyber criminals. Please, it is for educational purpose. So don't use the knowledge here to harm any person. Please, it is to help you gain knowledge and how to protect yourself. All right, so I'm going to walk you through how hackers build a powerful a rat to destroy your phone in the twinkling of an eye. All right, so when it comes to our Kali, just let's launch a terminal. All right, so now let's clone this repository. So this is going to be git clone, and that is https all right colon / now it's going to be github.com, and it's going to be slash, and this is the name is Karma 9874, then they're going to be slash Android, right? So kindly get the spellings right. So it's Android rats then .git. So this is what we typed. It is github.com. So let me highlight it for you to know what I typed. So this is what we typed. It is github.com. All right, and then the name is Karma KARMA 9874, then Android rat, and then when you are done, just .git, hit on enter for you to clone it. So now it's cloning. All right, so now let's head to the directory. So cd, and it's Android rat. It's Android rat. All right, so hit on enter. Now let's list the items there. So now we have these ones here. So we have the requirement here. So we need to install this requirement before we can go ahead. So let's begin by creating a virtual environment for the requirement so that we can go ahead. So now let's say the Python 3. All right, so I think this is a command. So Python 3, this is a command. We want to create a virtual environment so that it doesn't conflict with the already existing environment. So it's Python 3 -m venv. Now that's the name of the environment, venv. So hit on enter for the environment to be created. All right, so now the environment is created. So let's activate the environment. So how do you do it? So yeah, just about to say source. So sorry. So it is this is how you do it. So it's source, venv bin activate. Hit on enter. Hit on enter. Now the environment has been activated. So see, now we are now in the environment, the venv environment. So now let's go ahead to install, or let's go ahead to install the requirement. Okay, so let's say that, let's come to this part and say that pip3 install -r requirement. So install -r, and then it's going to be the requirement. So requirement dots txt, right? Txt. So actually it's the same thing there. So this one we just have to copy it, just in the same thing here. So that's the same thing there. Okay, so that's what we typed here. So when you are done, just hit on enter for the requirement to be installed. All right, so now the requirement, so I can just go ahead. Let me clear and get a better system here. So let's go ahead to get our IP address. So let's come here. Let me just launch a new terminal for me to get the IP address. So if config. All right, so you just have to say if config and then hit on enter. So now when you come here, so this is your IP. So come to this part. So this is your IP. Actually, this is your, when you come to the ETH at 0. Okay, so this is your IP address. So come here, copy the IP address, and then you are good to go. So let me come back to my main one. So I'm going to build. So how do you build the payload? So it's going to be Python 3. So this is going to be the whole thing. So it's Python 3, and then the program is Android rat, and then I'm going to build. So let me change the IP address here. So let me change the IP address here, because we're going to change it to the one that we copied. So this is the one that we copied. So So this is the one you copied. All right, so yes, so it's Python 3 android.py build. So this, it means that we want to build the APK file, and then we want to listen on this IP. Then we want to listen it on the port. So let me come to this part. So okay, so we want to actually listen it on this port. Let me come to the okay, so we want to listen it on this port. All right, on port 880, and then the O specified output. So how do you want to name this APK? So I want to name it something. You can name it anything you want to. When you are done, you just have to hit on enter for it to start with the building process. So now allow it, it's going to build it for you. So it's going to take some few time to build the project for you, so that you can continue. All right, that's amazing. So you see down now the APK is built and signed. So now this is live, so you can find it in our. So let's go down to our directory and check whether it's there. So if we come to our home, so you see is Android right here. Let's open it, and then yes, we have APK. We have a game. So now this game is ready. You can send it to our target. For us to get what we want. So how do we send it to our target? So first of all, let me copy it, and then let me copy it and move it. Let me move it to a different place so that I can run it. So let me come to desktop here again, and no, let me go to here, and then let me move. I want to move it to my document here, and then let me just paste it here. So we're now in this directory. So let me open the terminal in this directory. Okay, so and then I want to make sure that APK I pasted there is really run on the server, so that I can download it on my local PC. Do you understand? So I want to transfer it from Kali to the local PC, and then of course you cannot transfer it directly like you are transferring any file. You have to either share it on a server, or you can or you can use the SCP to do it. All right, so you are going to, this one I'm going to share it on the Python server. So just go ahead to just activate the Python server. So to do it, so just say Python 3, and then it's going to be -m, and then it's going to http and http.server. all right, .server, and then what is going to be the port 8080. all right, so we want to make sure that anything in the document directory becomes live on the server. Hit on enter. Now actually, so now everything here is on the server. So let's go back, and then let's go to our normal PC here, and then let me go to my browser. Let me go to any browser here, and then just go by this one, http and then :/. all right, then you paste your IP address, the Kali IP address. You just paste it there, then you just bring colon, and then you're going to be 880. So we are run on port 880. all right, so this is what we type. It's http / this one, your IP address colon, then 8080, that's the port. Hit on enter. Now you should have your APK right here. Very good. So you see now, you see we have our APK here, so we can click on it to download the APK file to our PC. So now you see the APK is now downloading, so it's going to be downloaded to our PC, so that we can send it to any person, to the victim, or that you want to. Okay, so now, all right, so you see, when you see some of this, you see Windows Defender will sometimes flag it as virus. So in order to have it issued, and just have to deactivate Windows Defender for just some seconds, then you download it. So let me come to my machine, then let me go to my system here. So let me go to, you have to go to your privacy and security. Come here now, go to your Windows security, go there, and then just have to come. So you see virus and threat protection, just make sure that you put it off so that you can do it. So let me come here. So you see this place manage settings, go there, real-time protection, just make sure it's off, and then yes, and then very good. So we can let's go ahead to download again, and then you have it done. So come here, and then let me download it again, and I should not have any problem. So you see now it's now downloaded, right? So I can get it from my directory. So if I go to my download here, so it must be in my download. So is this, yes, so yes, so this is the game. So now this is it. So now let me put it onto my desktop. So now, very good. So you see now this game, this is the game, this APK is right here, right? And I can actually send it to any person on WhatsApp, anywhere I want to send it to. Now let's assume. So now I want to use it on the virtual environment. So I have my virtual environment here. So yeah, so let me launch my virtual environment here, and then let's test it on the virtual environment and see how the thing works. All right, so yeah, so I'm using Genymotion. It's a virtual environment where you can test your apps. All right, so let's do it there. So let me go to Android version. Let's go to Android version. Let's go here. That's Android version 12. So we're going to start it for us. Now that our virtual environment is now ready, so let's go back to our Kali, and then let's go back to our Kali here, and then very good. So we are going to, okay, so let's learn. All right, so very, so at this point, let's end this session. So you just have to say Control+C to end. So now I've ended it here. So now let me cancel it and then go back, and then let's go back to our main page where our main terminal where we're building it. So this is where we built it. So now let's come to find, then let's actually copy this address again. We want to start running the what do you call it, the APK. So let's come to this part, and then let me copy it here, let me paste it here, and then let me move. So yes, move it here. I just change something here. So here at the build area, okay, you are actually going to just going to shell it. So all right, so just shell it. So it means that you're going to power it on. So when you shell it, it means that you're going to start the payload, so that when someone interacts with it, everything is really working. So now that's how you do it. So now let me go ahead to do it, and then let me just come back here and then hit on enter. All right, so that's it. So let's hit on enter. So now, so you see now it's waiting for connections. All right, so now let's come to this part, and then let's do something here. So now this is the APK. Let me copy and paste it there, then let's see what happens. All right, so you see something. So I have very good. So let me go ahead to give permissions. Let me go to continue. All right, let me go to continue, and then let's see something. So imagine this is your phone. All right, so very good, I've given permission. So let's come to this. So let's come to let me move it there, and then let's go to our main. So let's go to our main. Yes, let's come to this part. Yes, go to this part, and then see something. All right, so you see, very good. Check something. Let me delete it here. So when they come here, so we have this connection. So you see, got connection from this. All right, so there is one connection right here. Hello there, welcome to reverse shell of phone. So now we have we have access to the phone right here. So now we can go ahead to do your things. I mean you are in. Now you are in. You can do anything you want to do to the phone. You have full control of the phone. How do you know that? How do you get control of it? So you just have to just go by the command. Yes, so device just the device info. So device info would actually very good. So yes, so device info would give you the name of the device. So you see that I am on the Jenny Mobile and the version 12, and this is the name, the host. Just come here. Let me come here, and then let me come here. So you see that I am on the Jenny Mobile. So this one is a Jenny Mobile. If I come, let me show you. Let me show you there. So you see, it's a Jenny Mobile. So I'm on the Jenny Mobile, and then it's a version Jenny Mobile, Jenny Motion Mobile, and then it's version 12. We see version 12 is here, right? So now let me come here. So if I come to the Kali, it tells me that yes, I am on Jenny Mobile there, and then this is the version 12, of which that's true. Now I can go ahead to come to let's say cam list, and then the cam list will actually list the camera. So you see, I have access to the front camera, a back camera. So even the person, if I want to take the person's picture on the front camera, just go ahead using the first one. So go ahead, hit one, and then it's going to take the person's picture and send it to you right here. So I'm on one, and you're going to start the person's camera and begin to take pictures. This is amazing. Now you know that this is a Jenny, or this is online, what do you call it, a virtual machine that does not have a camera, so it cannot take pictures. So of course it cannot take any picture. So is it unknown because there doesn't have cameras to take pictures. That's why they are unknown here. But it can also start audio. You can also go by the command start audio to start the audio to begin to listen to whatever the person says secretly. Just say start audio, and then it will begin to start the audio. So you see, started recording. It will record everything the person says on the person's device, and you have access to the phone here. Now you can just get, if you want to get the person's information, get the inbox, read the inbox messages and all that, you just have to go by the command get SMS, and then very good. So you're going to get SMS, all the SMS on that person's phone. You can also get the location just by the command get location, and then you're going to get the location of that person. Yes, so get the location, and then you're going to print to you, and then not able to connect to the network location and GPS. Mind you, this is just a virtual tester which cannot give you that one. So that's how you can, if you want to take a picture. So you just have to say that take a pic, and then it's going to take the person's picture for you. Just take it. That's all. So this is a very comprehensive tool that is used to get information for people remotely. So you see, it's still running here. It's still running. So yeah. Also, let me close this one here. Alright, so that's how you use it to get it. This is how to stay safe from Android rat. Never install apps outside Google Play. Disable install unknown apps. Check app permission regularly. Avoid clicking unknown links. Use a strong antivirus.